Saquon Barkley. I swear, Saquon Barkley is the best. We survived the Giants, and now the Eagles got Saquon Barkley. Lord have mercy, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog of a Philly girl. And if you're watching this, you already know the Eagles took the ball, belt to ass.
We're not here for long, so we go most to it.
So as you guys can see, I started my morning off at Cycle Bar so I can feel better about my bad decisions later on in the day. And now I'm headed to Primark to find some gear because I'm a fake Philly fan. Alright guys, now I'm in Primark because apparently they had some Eagle stuff, but it's all gone now. But look how pretty this is. So now I'm just like surfing the store. I found this cute shirt that says creative director. So yeah, this is what I get for being a fake Eagles fan. And I'm only cheering for the cute boys. So yeah.
Saquon Barkley.
Yo, this is how serious we are. We are not playing. This is a Center City cam my friend sent me of literally 11:30. The game don't start till 6:30, y'all. They not playing. All right, y'all. Back in the house now. Just took a shower, skin prepped. Ooh.
Our next guest is one of the hottest new rappers from Brooklyn. Her hit song, Ooh.
I got my makeup ready. I'm finna do my makeup real quick. I ain't even gonna let y'all do that because that's boring. Like, we're in the vlog mood. It's go freaking birds, dickhead. Like, so, yeah. I'm gonna check back in with y'all in 1 second. I'm about to have a cute face in. Oh, I just want to make sure y'all was still there. Okay. Not fully there yet, but hold on. All right, y'all. So our makeup is complete. We got a little bit of green on the bottom lash line, a little pink on the lips with the liner, and then our Dior lip oil. Which is crazy because, like, wow, lip gloss really be running out. Like, that's crazy. So, this is what we're doing. We're going for a more girly, fun, playful game day look. So, I've got my little buns. Ooh, man, I got smashed down a little bit. But, with the little curlies on the side. Gotta, blend that in so it's not like this line. We'll wait until the line goes away and we'll see. But, and to with the whole clip, I don't even know if you can hear in the background, but yes, I hate when I get makeup on the side. But yeah. So, yeah, I'm gonna wear like this Eagles hockey shirt thingy and some jeans. I'm gonna show y'all my full outfit in a second because y'all don't think about this. Hold on. Okay, guys. So this is what I'm wearing underneath, like the Eagles hockey thing. Hold on. Let me cut Kanye off. Cause he wanna be.
Cut his fucking mic! Since he wanna be fucking dumb!
Alright, so let me move y'all back. So I just basically. Lord, it's shaky.
Had a good day. Okay? Now back to the shaking the table.
I just have on some cute jeans from Fashion Nova. They give me a little booty. Yes, Fashion Nova jeans. Give me a little booty. Alright, so I'm wearing this. The other thing is in the dryer right now. So you gotta be like, yeah! Go Eagles! EGLS! Hey! Go first! Alright, y'all, I'm out. I'm linking up, y'all. My friend. I don't know. Go girl. Well, these are like my don't care Uggs. Look at all the businesses boarded up because of freaking crazy ass Philly. Go Birds. The calm literally before the storm. Go Birds. Go Birds. Go Birds. I know, literally stand. Remember where we stood at? Right here. Literally. Right here in front of City Hall. Now, I'm gonna switch to what it looks like later. There's freaking bubbles. I think Giovanni. It's literally 3:30, y'all. The game don't start for another 3 hours. Look at the line. Wow. Wow. All right, y'all. I'm at Taste Cheesesteak Bar. It's crazy to me that, like, this is my first time coming out for a Super Bowl, and it's literally like not even 5 o'clock yet. And people gotta get here early so you can get a spot at the bar or whatever place, and it's like, oh my gosh, the game still don't start till 6:30. I'm tired. Cheers. Cheers. Somebody said cheers. Y'all boring. Cheers. Go Birds. No. Y'all see my jacket? Yeah. Yeah. I let him borrow it. Yeah. Yeah! Go Birds! We're out, guys. We left the Taste Cheesesteak Bar. Now we're headed somewhere else. Oh, I miss Ann Pizza from my DC days.
Watching the game, stop lying.
I never said I was. Hurts so good. Hurts so good. Look, this was the place, Lex, that I met you at. Are we gonna be out for the cheesesteak? I said my friends are hanging out right now. We're at Investor. What's the name of this place again? Prestige. What is happening?
Hola.
They got 2 bottles rolling at the same time. Blue bag, blue Chanel. I understand now. Y'all already know what the fuck I gotta play. Y'all already know what the fuck I gotta play. Y'all ready? We gotta sing this shit again.
I hear you like a god.
us to go home. Oh my God.
We are fucking Boston! We are fucking Boston! Fuck the Chiefs! Fuck the Chiefs! Fuck the Chiefs! Fuck the Chiefs! Here we go, girl. Palestine!
And go Birds!
Go fucking Birds!
Every
baby!
city! Yeah, period. Look at this. Yeah! Go Birds! What the hell? We got these ones climbing up the damn buildings. All right. I'm back in the house, y'all. Eating a yellow apple. Because I'm hungry. It's 1:10 in the morning. And it's so cold outside. I'm getting ready to take a shower. I just walked my dog. I'm getting ready to take a shower and knock the hell out. This apple is so good. Well, that's it, y'all. Go Birds.